Hi, my name is Jonah, and I'll be doing a presentation about a drone called RoboDrone. RoboDrone, and so it's gonna help get your local mail faster to your house. So what's basically is gonna happen? The truck and the drone will go to your neighborhood, and then the drone will pick up the package and go to the house, while the mailman will go to the other house and put the package there. And then the mailman will drive and the drone will come back and it'll repeat until the whole neighborhood's done. Then we'll have a more faster and efficient way for our local mail to get to our houses faster. These are some of my pictures of RoboDrone. Go ahead and take a look at them.